In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the size of a folder in Dropbox. If you've ever wondered how much space your folders are using, stick around because I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring it's easy to follow and you can replicate it without a hitch. Firstly, you'll need to navigate your way to Dropbox.com, where you should sign in using your account credentials. This will take you to your main Dropbox interface, where all your files and folders are stored. Once you're logged in, you're ready to locate the specific folder you want to check the size of. This is quite straightforward if you have your folders organized in a way that you know where to find them. Just have a look through your list, and when you spot the folder in question, you'll be ready to move on to the next part. Now, here's a handy tip. Hovering your mouse over an item in Dropbox can reveal more options, something that not everyone might notice initially. So when you've found the folder whose size you want to determine, simply hover your mouse over this folder. You'll notice 3 little dots will appear to the right of the folder's name, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click these 3 dots. This action will pull up a menu with several options related to the folder. Among the options listed, you'll want to find and click on Folder Info. This option is specifically designed to show you detailed information about the folder you're examining. Once you click Folder Info, Dropbox will start calculating the total size of the folder. This calculation may take a moment, especially if your folder contains a lot of files, so don't fret if there's a slight delay. After this brief pause, you'll be presented with the information you're looking for. The total size of the folder. Knowing exactly how much space your folders take up is beneficial for managing your storage efficiently, particularly if you're concerned about reaching any limits within your Dropbox account. This data can help guide decisions on what to keep, or perhaps what to move elsewhere to optimize space usage. And there you have it, a quick and simple method to check the size of any folder in your Dropbox, ensuring you stay on top of your file management with the ease and efficiency you're aiming for. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial, and I hope this has been helpful in making Dropbox a more useful tool for your needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to seek out more resources or connect with us online. Thanks again for watching, and happy organizing.